Hi guys, today we are menu planning for a whole food plant-based diet. So whether or not you're vegan, it doesn't matter. The best thing to do is to plan your meals around your vegetables. But I actually take a step back and start a totally different way. So I'll show you what I do. So I use paper. You can use a computer. Several of my clients use computers. And I write down what day I always do my grocery shopping on Thursdays. And so I know I'm going to need recipes for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and next Thursday. Because I like to shop once a week. And so right now, that's all I have written down is the days of the week. The next thing I do is I look at the weather, because that sounds really strange, but if it's going to be cold and rainy, that's probably going to be a good day for a soup or stew, something in the slow cooker. But if it's going to be really, really hot, we might want something more hydrating, a raw salad or some kind of raw dish, something like that. So I'll look at the weather. So we don't have really much anything going on. Friday night we might have rain, but it's just going to be hot every day. The lowest high is 79, so it's going to be hot for the next week. The next thing I do is look at my calendar for the week, and so here's my calendar. And when I look, then I say, okay, we have something after school on Thursday. Sunday is Mother's Day, and then something after school every single day next week, which means every day is going to be really busy. And so I'm going to need to look for recipes that are quick and easy for the week. Saturday, we have nothing on the calendar, so that would be a good day to cook something that takes a little bit longer. If there's something that I'm craving. A lot of times on Saturdays, we like to have appetizers or more like party foods. And so I'll maybe write that down. So right now, I just know I'm going to be busy every day except for Monday after school. And so I'm going to write just a little note to myself. Just put busy on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Just to remind me that it needs to be something that I can cook ahead or cook really quickly. So now let's get started. So I like variety. Not necessarily with breakfast and lunch. I can eat the same breakfast a few days in a row or the same lunch a few days in a row. But I like to mix things up. So some people can just stick to the same thing week in, week out. Monday night is spaghetti. Tuesday night is tacos. Wednesday night is Chinese. Thursday night is, I don't know, beans and rice. Friday night is pizza. It doesn't matter. And so if I were to do that, let's say Friday night is pizza night, but I want to eat whole food plant-based. And so for me, I eat gluten-free vegan, and that's hard for a lot of people. And pizza is a highly processed food. So for me, I'm going to make like a cauliflower crust. I want a good pizza sauce, and maybe I don't even want the cheese. So even dairy-free cheese is highly processed. And so I may not even do a dairy-free cheese, but I might want to do something like roasted vegetables, put roasted vegetables on a pizza. And I would have a salad with the pizza to make it whole food plant-based. So I'll write pizza with a salad down. And so then on Saturday night, I know I'm going to have appetizer night, so just write appetizer night. Maybe Sunday night you're gonna it's Mother's Day, so you know you need to do something for Mother's Day. So I'll write that down. Monday, I don't know. Let's just pick something out. We'll have we'll do Taco Tuesday, so we'll put that on Tuesday. Maybe we have Chinese on Monday. Wednesday we can have some kind of soup or stew. And then Thursday, what am I missing? We could have Italian. All right. And so then all you need to do is find what recipes you use for those different ideas. Now, I don't like to stick to the same thing every day. We don't have Taco Tuesday. We don't have pizza night. But if you do, then you just write it down like this, and then you can go over and create your grocery list from there. So for pizza night, I know I need a crust, I need a sauce, I need whatever my toppings are going to be. What kind of salad do I want with it? Do I need to make a salad dressing? Things like that. So I'll write that down. Appetizer night, I like a bean dip. Chips are highly processed, so I need to come up with something I'm going to use in place of chips, unless I'm going to just decide I'm going to eat chips that night. I'm going to make something like, I don't eat buffalo wings, but maybe cauliflower wings. anyway, you get my drift for appetizer night. Then Mother's Day. What is something we want to have for Mother's Day? Is the family going to cook or am I going to cook? So we have to come up with that. Chinese food. That's really easy to make. Whole food, plant-based. A whole grain rice with some vegetables and your whatever you want to use for a protein source. That could be edamame. That could be tofu or tempeh. Post in the comments and let me know if you have other options to go in that. I like tofu fried rice, and I'm actually going to put that on for the week. And then Tuesday's Taco Tuesday. So how do we make Taco Tuesday plant-based? You can make cauliflower tacos. I have a video somewhere on here on cauliflower taco meat. And so you could have cauliflower tacos or cauliflower taco salad, walnut taco meat, pinto beans. I think I might have a video for refried beans as well. So you can easily make a Mexican night, Taco Tuesday night, plant-based. Then we have a soup. So what's a minestrone? Is high in vegetables, but you could also do a broccoli soup or any of those. Those are easy. And then Thursday's Italian. So pasta is processed. So use a whole grain pasta. A better choice would be to use zoodles or something like that. And then maybe roasted vegetables in a sauce. So that would make it really easy to finish the grocery list for your dinners. But we still have to do breakfast and lunch. So what I'm going to show you. So right now all I have is pizza night, appetizer night, and so forth. I'm going to actually do my real menu for next week and show you how I do it. First, I'm going to move this camera over here because my lighting is bad. If you're watching me live, I am also doing a YouTube video at the same time. But I didn't realize my lighting was going to be so bad. It wasn't when I set up. Okay, so I'm planning my menu for next week. So once again, I'm going to write down Thursday because I'm going to do my grocery shopping on Thursday. If you shop on Saturday, then Saturday's your first day. So I have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And so Friday night, I'm going to do Portobello Fajitas. Portobello Fajitas. And so, usually I'll do the back of the paper, but for y'all, I'm going to write it over here. So what ingredients do I need for that? Well, I know I'm going to need portobellos. I'm going to need bell pepper. I'm going to need onion, garlic, and whatever else I'm going to want with my fajitas. With those, I probably will have refried beans. So I'm going to write that down over on my menu, refried beans. Now, refried beans for me is 2 cans of pinto beans, pintos, that I cook and mash with Mexican seasoning. And so, can't get much easier than that. So now I have tortillas for my family if they want tortillas. I'm not going to have tortillas. I'm going to write that down on my list. And I could make some kind of rice if they want a rice or a salad, a guacamole. So definitely want guacamole. So I'm going to write guacamole. And then I'm going to write down my ingredients for that. So another onion, tomato, avocado, a little more garlic, cilantro, and lime. So Friday night, I'm going to have a tofu cauliflower fried rice. That takes a little bit longer, and so that is my one day that I have more time to cook. And so I'll write down the ingredients for that. Sunday is Mother's Day, and I decided I'm just going to make a really large salad. Oh, I skipped Saturday. So Saturday, let's have a Buddha bowl. Buddha bowl with a peanut butter sauce. So I just need to decide what I want in my Buddha bowl, and I'm going to need to write down the ingredients for that. Sunday, I'm going to have a massaged kale salad. I had one last night and it was delicious, and I want it with tofu. Monday, I'm going to have a green pea and edamame soup. Tuesday is going to be a really late night. Taco salad is our usually quick go-to. So I'm going to have taco salad. And once again, I'm going to have that with guacamole. If I want to make a salsa, I could buy a salsa. Be really careful when you buy salsas because they are highly processed usually. So read your ingredients, make sure there aren't preservatives, make sure there's not added sugar and things like that. It's a lot easier just to, well, I say it's easier to make your own. It's not always easier to make your own, but you know it's going to be cleaner if you make your own. So with the taco salad, I'm going to want black beans, and I'm going to want some kind of taco meat. Then Wednesday, let's go with, I had Sunday wrong. Sunday, I'm going to have the, it's Mother's Day. Let's move our massaged kale salad to Wednesday. With the tofu, Monday, I'm going to have a giant salad. And I'm going to make a lime tart for Mother's Day to make it something special. So I'm going to write that down. And then I'm missing a day. Let's see. Fried rice, portobello, Buddha bowl, giant salad, soup, taco salad, massaged kale salad. Let's do something else. What would be good? Yeah, that's enough. Because I already have Friday planned. I have all of them that I need. All right, so now I need to look at my breakfast and my lunch. So like I said, I can repeat my breakfast and my lunches. So for breakfast, I know I want some kind of overnight oats. On the weekends, I like to make something special. So maybe I'll make a baked oats, and maybe a chia pudding one day, and definitely a tofu or a chickpea scramble. And then for my lunches, I like to have some sort of bean salad. So I'm going to do some kind of bean salad. Let me write that down. And let's see. How about roasted veggies with chickpeas? I like to have 2 different bean salad things that I can mix and match that will be high in protein. And then I love a mason jar salad for the days that I need to quick and go for work. And then I need to definitely make sure that I write down a dressing and then everything for my everyday salad. Okay, so I started with Thursday when it should have started with Friday, but you get the drift here. Friday, Saturday. Why don't I just rewrite it? Nope. I'll rewrite it on here. It doesn't matter what day it is. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, so you see my chicken scratch. So here is my menu for the week. I have breakfast, I have lunches, and I have dinners. And now I have to write down my grocery list. And so you don't need to watch me create my grocery list for everything, but I just need to decide, like, I know I'm going to need oats, I know I'm going to need things to make the chia pudding, I'm going to need the scramble. Now what if I don't have recipes in my head of what I want to do? So let's go back to our first one. We know we want pizza, we know we want an appetizer night, something for Mother's Day. So what I would do is, if I don't have these, then I would just go to Google, Wholefood, plant-based, Chinese. And you'll get some ideas that way. For Taco Tuesday, plant-based tacos, vegan tacos. It's so easy to find so many recipes using Google. I also have lots of recipes on my YouTube channel. And so you can go there as well and find recipes there. For those of you who are in my reset, just go back through your recipes there. I've mentioned a lot of books. My favorite one is Eat Clean, Live Well. Very simple recipes, and they're always seasonal. So that one is very easy to follow and wonderful. When you're looking at lunches, you want something that's nice and filling. There's always the everyday salad, but bean salads are wonderful to give you more protein. Green peas our wonderful way to add more nuts and seeds. So let's make sure we get those on the grocery list. So as you can see, it's really easy to come up with plant-based recipes for the week. Something I left off were my desserts. And so we do like to have dessert. So we know I'm going to be making the lime tart. And that recipe is coming out on my YouTube shortly. And if it's not already out when this goes out. And we like to have frozen cherries and dark chocolate for dessert with some walnuts. We don't like to eat too close to bedtime, and so if we eat an early dinner, then that is a wonderful little dessert. When you buy dark chocolate, make sure that it is a high percentage of dark chocolate. I think the one we buy is 72%, but better would be 80%. I am one of those that I just like chocolate so much that it can be really dark for me. As a matter of fact, my hot chocolate, I don't even put any sweetener in it. Hot water, cocoa, and plain milk. It sounds terrible, but it's delicious to me. Because a lot of you that are following me, you're trying to go low sugar and you don't even need it anymore. All right, so I hope that this helps you with your menu plan. Just look at your calendar. Make sure you lay everything out. Don't forget your breakfast. Don't forget your lunch. I'm going to finish filling in my grocery list, and I will post a picture of it later so you'll see how I've got everything together. Anyway, I hope this helps you. And those of you who are in my reset, post a picture of your menu. I've seen a couple of them, and your grocery list, so I can see how you're doing. I'm going to challenge you again at the end of the week for the next week to see if you can put one together. Anyway, if you have any other ideas for me, any other videos you would like to see, or something else you would like to learn, I love to hear from you. Like and share and subscribe to my channel. I will talk to you soon.